Why are the homes here in Lake Cyrus, Newcastle homes, a good value?
Well, Glenn's a great builder with Newcastle. He's been building since 1994 in this area. He's helped start Lake Cyrus, and we get a lot of compliments about our craftsmanship. And the prices have come down on the home, so we have a really good pricing point for people. We start at $199, and take that back. We start at $189, and for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and then we go all the way to $271 for this house here that you see behind us is brand new. So. The good thing is a Hoover schools and a great safe neighborhood, sidewalks and street lights. We have a tennis court and pool in the neighborhood, and the intermediate school is also in the neighborhood. So a lot of great amenities for the price point.